Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial. Before I start, I would like to share some important tips. Make sure to check the quality settings on a YouTube player and set it to 720 or higher. Also, expand the player to full screen. This will ensure a clear view of the code and actions demonstrated in the video. Today, I will show you how to print reports from code in a Python application using the Flask framework. Open your IDE with the project folder. First, install the Stimulsoft package. If you only need reports, you can use the Stimulsoft Reports package. However, in this tutorial, we will use the Stimulsoft Dashboards package. Open the terminal and run the installation command. Next, add a Python file to the project, such as printing_report.py. Add a static folder and inside it, create a reports folder. Copy report templates to the reports folder using the terminal. Preparation is now complete. First, import the necessary modules from the Flask framework in the Stimulsoft package. Set up an endpoint for application routing. Add a print function that creates a report object, renders it, and prints the report. To print, simply call the print method on the report object. Define the port and mode for the local server. Open the terminal and run the project using the Python interpreter. Navigate to the local URL in a browser. You should now see the report ready for printing in the browser. If you found this video valuable, feel free to share it with your colleagues and do not forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on future content. See you next time.